Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool GE, a General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is James's equipment from Kentucky, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now, these were really good units. People really liked them, and they want to try to have them repaired. This unit has an issue. James says it does not have any power, and we have troubleshooted a little bit, and the base does not light up. It does not have any power, and the power transformer for this unit is good, and it is producing voltage. So we want to troubleshoot the base unit. We will need to remove the main PC boards in the base unit so that we can troubleshoot properly and make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And on a cordless telephone, the handset and base unit interchange frequencies, and the open amplifier can pick up that open frequency, that RF power, and that can sound like a staticky sensation or a humming noise. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the RF power from the cordless telephone. We also want to mention that the base unit did not have any power, and the main PC board was repaired. We want to check out our answering machine function. So we'll go ahead and test that part of the cordless telephone also. We have another telephone connected to the analyzer, and we can use that telephone to check our answering machine function. We'll go ahead and start our checkout with leaving a message on our answering machine. So we want to go ahead and start that process.
Please leave your message after the tone.
Incoming message test 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hello? Hello. Now what we can do is go ahead and test our answering machine. We do have a message. It may sound a little raspy because we're in the same location as the answering machine. So we'll go ahead and push our play function.
You have one message. Message 1, Tuesday, 1:34 p.m.
Incoming message test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello.
Message 1, erase. End of messages.
So we went ahead and deleted that message. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now with these handsets, you can set them in the programming to answer. If you get a call and you pick up the handset, it will automatically answer, or you can pick the handset up and hit the talk button. And right now, it's just programmed to answer when you pick the handset up and hit the talk button. So you can change that function if you decide to. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. Our answering service is working on this unit. We want to go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Friday, April 24th. The current time, 1:39 p.m. And the temperature, 59 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is go ahead and go back over to our analyzer, and I'll show you what I mean about the RF power noise. It can cause a staticky sensation or a hum in the amplifier, and it's coming from the radio frequencies that the handset and bass unit put out. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to dial a 2. That will cause the dial tone to go away. So that interference that you hear from the amplifier is the RF power that a cordless telephone will emit. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to James and he can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. Now, like we mentioned earlier, these units are highly sought after. They're very collectible at this point, and if you can even find one used, a lot of times they will need to be repaired also. People really like this type of cordless telephone, and they want to use them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.